Hi guys, this is Anne. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green juice that you should take if you're suffering from any illness. Basically, these are the basics. If you're suffering from any illness, you should take celery. Celery is very healing. It is high in electrolytes. Then we have ginger. Ginger is very good for digestion and circulation, and garlic is also very good. It's antiviral and very powerful. If you have any illness, you should be taking garlic, raw garlic, not cooked garlic, raw garlic. So today I'm going to include celery, ginger, garlic. I'm going to take one green apple and some cucumbers. So if basically you're suffering from illness, you have to make sure you have that. Obviously you can add that, and don't add any sweet fruit, at least a tart fruit, mostly that. You can even add lemon, lime, things like that. So I'll cut this up, chop that, and chop the others, and then I show you. Okay, when you're starting, you always start with the one with the most amount of water. I was going to say the most watery. I don't know if that's by English, but yeah. So I'll start with cucumbers and the apples and put them first, so it helps the blender blend better. And since I'm not adding any water, you need to start with that and use the tamper. If you have a small blender, you can start with a small amount of the cucumbers, you blend them a bit, they blend up, and then you add the rest of the stuff. That is what I would do basically. Okay, let me just put them all up. So it's all there. I'll just blend it with the tamper. Maybe I should just show you. We're just going to put it into the cheesecloth and extract all the nice juice out of it. Just washed my hands. I don't contaminate the juice. Okay, as you can see, my cheesecloth has become greenish because of juicing a lot of greens. But okay, you get the gist of what is happening. So I'll just show you when I've finished. Okay, that's the amount that has come out. So there you go. This is about 720 milliliters. So that is what I'm going to drink, plus that from the remainder of that. And this is the juice you can drink as a fast, or you can drink in the morning and lunchtime, and the other time you can take whatever you want. It all depends with how fast you want to heal. So that's it, guys. That is best healing juice you can take. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, give it a like and subscribe for more recipes if you haven't. Thanks. Bye.